will Diddy settle Cassie's lawsuit out of court? The music industry was shocked when R&B singer Cassie filed a lawsuit against her ex-boyfriend and former boss, Sean Diddy Combs, on November 17, 2023. The lawsuit alleged that Diddy subjected Cassie to years of physical, emotional, and sexual abuse during their decade-long relationship, which ended in 2018. Cassie also accused Diddy of trafficking her to other men for his own sexual gratification and profit. The lawsuit sought $30 million in damages for assault, battery, false imprisonment, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence, and violation of human trafficking laws. Cassie claimed that Diddy used his power and influence to control her career, isolate her from her family and friends, and coerce her into signing contracts that favored him. She also said that Diddy frequently beat her, sometimes in front of his children and staff, and raped her at least once in 2018. However, just a day after the lawsuit was filed, Cassie and Diddy announced that they had reached a private settlement to their mutual satisfaction. The terms of the agreement were not disclosed, but the lawsuit was dismissed with prejudice, meaning that it cannot be refiled. Both parties issued brief statements expressing their wishes for each other's well-being. The settlement came as a surprise to many observers, who wondered why Cassie decided to drop the lawsuit so quickly and what Diddy offered her in exchange. Some speculated that Cassie was pressured or threatened by Diddy or his associates to settle the case. Others suggested that Cassie wanted to avoid a lengthy and traumatic legal battle that would expose more details of their abusive relationship. Some also questioned whether the settlement would provide Cassie with enough justice and closure for the harm she suffered. Diddy's legal troubles are not over yet, as he faces more allegations of sexual misconduct from other women. One of them is Jane Doe, who sued him last week for participating in her gang rape when she was 17 years old in 2007. Diddy has denied all the allegations and vowed to fight them in court. Cassie, on the other hand, is reportedly preparing to launch a musical tour next year, after releasing her third studio album, Phoenix, in October. The album features songs that address her experiences with Diddy and her journey of healing and empowerment. Cassie has also been dating personal trainer Alex Fine since 2019, and they have 2 children together. The case of Cassie and Diddy raises important questions about the dynamics of power, abuse, and consent in the music industry and beyond. It also highlights the challenges and barriers that survivors of domestic violence and sexual assault face when seeking justice and support. Hopefully, Cassie's lawsuit and settlement will inspire more awareness and action to prevent and end these forms of violence against women.